Number one priority is safety and rolling out in the morning and rolling back to the shop at the end of the day and nobody's hurt. So safe, consistent tools are super important for making sure the quality and safety is there and the productivity. The tool needs to be ready to get the job done.
My dad started the company, Gollnick & Sons Tree Service, 21 years ago. We do primarily residential and commercial tree work, pruning, removals, climbing, we do it all.
Today's plan is we're gonna work on this tree closest to the driveway first, cutting it down, and then this next one here, I'll spike up that first tree for sure, maybe use the bucket truck on the second one. We've been using the Milwaukee products ever since they came out with the first chainsaw.
The technology is keeping up. We're able to do the same work with battery tools as we've been used to with gas equipment. Pull the trigger and they're going right away, so that's been really helpful. You don't have to think about the maintenance of it, but set it, forget it. It's ready to roll. One person can be cutting with a 20-inch saw, dropping trees in a yard. Somebody else can be climbing and pruning with a hatchet. So we can have multiple tools getting used on the site at the same time, putting them back on the roll-on supply with the supercharger if we need a quick charge.
It's great having this roll-on power supply in the truck. I don't have to worry about running out of batteries. More often than not, the truck is close by, so I've got my fuel can here. I've lost that muscle memory of pull starting this chainsaw because I pull the chain brake off and pull the trigger and we're good to go and we're making the saw do its work. Milwaukee's coming out with commercial grade tools that are capable of standing up to the abuse that we put at them. We're not gentle with them. They're running all day long, non-stop. They're solid.
It just makes sense to have one battery platform, one charger, and it's all simple.
Don't have to come to the fuel station to fill up. Our shop has electricity. We can plug in, charge up, we're ready to go. I want to make a few cuts that are a bit larger than I'd want to make with my hand saw. So just turn this tool on and we're ready to go. Less vibration, less fatigue from having to try to pull start. And at the end of the day, I can go home, have a little bit more energy to hang out with my family, play with my two boys, and that's what it's all about. Milwaukee's definitely listening to the industry, doing the research, asking professionals like myself.
Makes a difference, and it's going to keep their customers loyal because they're making what we're looking for and making us more productive, safer, and less fatigued at the end of the day.